And then with me, I have two individuals who are making a huge difference here in Tacoma with the REACH program. And as we're talking about all of these segments, I would love to hear from you. I have a phone. 591-2061 is the number you can reach us, and we'd love to answer your questions. Well, let's just get into it, shall we? With me, I have this very elegant, beautiful man next to me is Mr. J.R. Nobles. You are the Tacoma Goodwill Steps Program Manager.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Thank you.
It's good to have you here today.
Thank you.
And you brought with you this sweet pea over here, Miss Rainey Chenevert. What a beautiful last name you have. And you are with the REACH program.
Yes,
we have done that you are a REACH youth. I would put down that you are a REACH youth extraordinaire. How's that?
Thank you.
You're more than welcome. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
Let's just get into it because people need to know, and we're asking the question, what is REACH? So what is REACH?
So REACH, the acronym that we created, stands for Resources for Education and Career Help. And REACH is actually a partnership of about 12 agencies that have come together to transform the way we deliver career and education services to youth ages 16 to 24 in Pierce County. The 12 partners include Tacoma Community House, Central Latino, Vaudis, Tacoma Goodwill, Bates Technical College, Clover Park Technical College, Tacoma Community College, Tacoma Public Schools, Metropolitan Development Council, Workforce Central, and then also we have the Puyallup Tribe of Indians that's a pending partner.
Oh my goodness, that's incredible. You even could rattle those off.
Yes, it's
that is a huge
really
collaboration. I mean, that is a who's who of Tacoma. I mean,
really
as you were talking, I was thinking of the executive directors that I know that sit at those individual agencies and how busy they are.
Yes.
And that's such a testament to this program that you can get all of those people together and to get their time and their buy-in, because so many times as people sit in these seats and we have new programs that come up, there are either duplicate programs, duplicity, which only makes it more difficult for someone who wants to use the services, or else we can't get them together. And you guys have pretty much made it one-stop shopping, haven't you?
Yeah.
Love that. So I want to know, in terms of, now you have all these partners together, how does REACH transform youth in terms of job services? What does it do for them?
Well, the way things were in the past, in order for you to receive services, they would have to go from agency to agency to agency, filling out multiple pieces of paperwork at all the different agencies. What we've created now is a one-stop where youth can come in and get everything that they need in terms of education and career help, and removing the barriers to education and career all in one place. So we're excited.
Incredible.
Yes.
We're going to get to Miss Rainey here in a second and talk with her about her REACH experience. So how was REACH formed? I mean, you obviously didn't go around to each individual agency, because you wouldn't be here today if you were still doing that. How was it formed?
So REACH started out as an idea for our new Milgard Work Opportunity Center. We wanted to develop a youth one-stop career and education development center. And so from that idea, a number of entities got together, and over the last 5 years have had conversations and lots of planning. And the short story is we've gone from planning to fruition, and now REACH is in existence.
Oh, I love that. And isn't it in the new Goodwill building?
It is. It is.
That building is just a mecca. It is. I told Terry when she was here a couple weeks ago, I drive by and I almost get in a car accident. It's just like, whoa, what is that? It's so beautiful. Oh, how fortunate.
Thank you.
So, question to both of you, and then I want to hear directly from you. If I were to walk into REACH, what would I see? What would I see there?
Well, the first thing you would see, we have the Coffee Buzz. It's a barista training program that we offer. Yes, it's a barista training program that we offer for youth and young adults to come in and get trained on how to be a barista. There's a job fair area. In the past, we've had job fairs, and we've had to do them at different facilities and different sites. Now we're able to hold our own job fairs. You'd also find a resource room where youth can come in and they can do their own job searching, their own career searching. They can look for scholarships, apply online to different places. We've got classrooms for learning. We've got an incentive room where when youth glean points from coming to the center and doing activities, they can go to the incentive room. It's sort of like a VIP room.
Nice.
Lots of meeting space. And on the second floor is where all of our offices are, where the partner offices are.
Wow, so you can actually get barista training.
Yes.
That is, because there's a lot of things I can do in my life, but when I walk into a coffee shop and I look at those people and I think, oh, there's no way I could ever do this. I would totally choke and burn the place down. Now I know where to go.
That's right.
So, Rainey, what would I see through your eyes when I walk into Reach?
From a youth's point of view, it's very overwhelming to walk into the Reach building for the first time. I've only been there a couple times since they moved to the new building, and there's just so much help everywhere. Help for something, for school or work, or if you're having family problems, and it's just, there's constant help from everyone there. And the majority of what you see is a lot of kids there, because a lot of people know that if they don't have somewhere to go, that's the place to go to find what you need.
That's the place to be.
Yeah.
So Rainey, you are just as sweet as you are brilliant. Will you share with us what you feel comfortable sharing, your journey of how you came to Reach and what it's done for you?
Okay, so before I found the Reach program, I really felt like I was stuck in a rut. I was at a very stressed and problematic point in my life. And a mutual friend of my boyfriend's and him were at the town center by my house and approached by a Reach specialist. And were given information and phone numbers, and were later contacted about the program. The mutual friend was not able to do it, so I took her place.
Smart girl.
And, and hands-on and help since the beginning. They've provided me bus passes and Goodwill clothing vouchers, and helped me get into the St. Joseph's Hospital program, where I was a clerical assistant, a lot of organizational duties, and they also provided me references and found me work after, and I'm going back to school to be a nursing assistant. And everything is really looking up in my life since I came involved with Reach.
So let me recap. Enlisted brain. Here you are hanging out at the mall. Okay, and Rainey, how old are you?
I'm 18.
How old were you then?
I was 17.
You were 17. Okay, so you're hanging out at the mall. What time of day is it?
Probably about 3 o'clock.
Okay, so, and was it after school or were you in school?
I'm a high school dropout currently.
Okay, so you were taking a break.
Yep.
Okay, you were not in school.
Not
Good
in
to
school.
know that, because there's people who are watching right now who are not in school and need to know that.
Absolutely.
You know what? That's okay. Reach can help you if you're
Definitely.
not in school.
After dropping out of school, Reach is the program to get involved with, because they will help you find work and get back in school and balance home life and work life and school life and all the stresses of being an adult that you might not have that help somewhere else.
Oh my goodness, because I'm looking at you and just thinking how amazing you are. You were at a real pivotal point in your life where you could have fallen between the cracks.
Oh,
couldn't
yes.
you?
Definitely.
Yeah.
I really feel like without Reach, I might just be sitting at home hoping that something good happens to me. And I really feel like Reach gives kids a second chance that they might not find somewhere else.
Absolutely. From the person approaching you to actually the transportation, the clothing, getting you there, the training, probably helping you with the resume, references, telling you about just things that you may not know about the workplace, getting there 15 minutes ahead of time, all of those things. And then, because there's lots of training programs out there, but then they actually got you a job when you were done. And that's the piece that's different from what other programs. Would you agree with that, JR?
Absolutely.
Okay. My goodness. So tell us what you're doing now and how it's changed your life. Obviously it has, but but how has it changed your life in terms personally? How has it changed your life?
Well, I always thought that I wanted to work in the medical field. That's why I took the internship at St. Joseph's Hospital. And it really let me know that that's what I love doing. I love helping people and working with people. And St. Joseph's Hospital, along with the Reach program, helped me find a nursing assistant course that I'm going to be attending next month. And I'm really excited about that. I feel like after, my community helped me, I can give back a little bit now.
Oh, my goodness.
So I'm really hoping I want to be a nurse someday. So go back to school for that. And hope that
I bet your parents are really proud of you, aren't they?
Yeah, they really are, because they were really stressed out and worried about the direction that I was going in. So after all of their efforts to help me didn't really do anything. Finding something that did was satisfying for them.
So now are people coming to you in your family in terms of advice for health care? And I'm not feeling very well here. Can you take my pulse?
Yeah, actually, and it's, I'm not certified in any